What's up guys, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to enable Adblock on your Google Chrome browser. So what you can do is to go over to the three dots at the top right corner, click on it, and then go over to extensions and then click on visit Chrome Web Store. Now on the Chrome Web Store, you're going to search for Adblocker. Now there will be several options to pick from, but I recommend you pick the one with the best rating. This is a 4.5 rating Adblock, and you can see it's getadblock.com. We're going to click on it, and you can see it has good ratings. So we're going to click on Add to Chrome. Confirm by clicking on Add Extension. You can see right here it's downloading, and now you can see that you have the Adblock in your Chrome. That's why you have the button remove from Chrome, because it's there. Then when you go to the next tab, which will be automatically opened, it's going to say thank you for installing Adblock. Now to confirm, you're going to click on the extensions icon right here. If you don't find it, you can go over to the three dots, hover over extensions, click on manage extensions, and here you can see the Adblock is currently toggled on and active. So this is how to enable Adblock on your Chrome browser.